In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can withdraw money from PayPal to your Payoneer account. Now keep in mind that withdrawing money from PayPal to Payoneer is a little bit tricky. Most of the time Payoneer will not let you guys withdraw the money from PayPal because they are competitors, they are competing with each other. PayPal wants to be the best payment provider, stuff like that, and Payoneer the same. So they are trying to compete with each other, so it's really hard to link the Payoneer bank account inside your PayPal. But I'm gonna be showing you guys a lot of tricks that you can do to link it. I have linked it. I have withdrawn thousands of dollars without any problem whatsoever. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do that, so that you can withdraw your own money on PayPal to your Payoneer account. Alright, now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to your Payoneer. Okay, so the trick is you need to receive at least $100 from your Payoneer. You need to receive from a website. It could be Amazon, Fiverr. You need to receive $100 in your Payoneer account before you will be able to link your MasterCard. If you want to link MasterCard, you will need $100. But if you need to link a bank account, you don't need to receive any money inside your PayPal. You just need to click on bank account, and you want to click on the receiving accounts, and here you want to search for USA bank account, which is this one. Okay, this is the USA bank account, but most of the time they will not let you link that bank account. Most of the time, 90%. But I just want you guys to try. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to show you guys the 100% solution that will work for everyone. Click on USA, and this is the routing, and this is the account number. Now you want to go to PayPal, and you need to click on add card or bank, as you can see here, and then you want to add these numbers here. But they ask me first to add my MasterCard. Before you can add the bank account so that you can withdraw money from PayPal to Payoneer, you need first to add the MasterCard. I don't know why PayPal needs this first. I don't know, but you will need to link. It could be your local bank account, your Visa card, your MasterCard, debit card. It doesn't matter, just link it, and then whenever you click now on link a card or bank, they will show you guys where you can link the bank, and then you need to copy this information, the routing and the account number, and you want to paste them here. And see, if you click on link bank and they are displaying an error here, then what you need, guys, is you need to contact Payoneer, and you need to ask them for Federal Savings Bank. Okay, I'm going to say it again, Federal Savings Bank. You need to contact Payoneer and ask them for this bank to be added to your Payoneer account. Here you will find it just here where you clicked on bank accounts. As you can see, just the same thing I showed you at the beginning, and you will find that Federal Savings Bank here. If you click on it, you can easily link your Payoneer to PayPal, and now you can start withdrawing money without any problem. Whenever you click on withdraw, you will be able to see that bank account, and you will be able to withdraw the money without any problem. Okay, whenever you click on withdraw, we click send to your bank, and that's it. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, hopefully if it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.